Imagine creating the trendiest t-shirts using the magic of AI and just a few clicks. Sounds amazing, right? First, you'll pick your t-shirt style and color. It's super easy. Next, jump into Canva Magic Studio. Using the AI feature, you can generate awesome designs in seconds. Need inspiration? Browse through thousands of templates and personalize them with your own flair. Once your design is ready, download it in high quality. It's that simple. Don't forget to market your creations. Use social media to show off your fabulous AI-designed tees. So, are you ready to turn your ideas into wearable art? Get started today and let your creativity shine.